Can I tell you a secret? Come closer. Come closer. I will tell you a secret. No one cares that you are fat. No one cares. Only you care. Everyone cares about themselves. How do I know this? I was fat as well. I was 128 kilos. And guess what? I lost the fat. And do you know what I realized? No one cares. No one gives a fuck if you are fat or not fat. No one cares if you are thin, lean, muscular, anything. Because everyone is concerned with themselves. The only person who is really concerned about you being fat is you. And this is the problem. You are in your head way too much. You think that everyone is concerned about you, everyone is watching you, but it's really not true. Maybe this is the reason that it's keeping you from starting on your fat loss journey. Because you are afraid of judgment. You are afraid of rejection. Because in today's world, no one gives a single fuck about you. Everyone is concerned with themselves. And if you don't believe me, I will tell you a story that just happened to me recently. So, I was in Da Nang, Vietnam, and I'm a part of this group, this self-help group. And now we started doing some challenges of going out on the street and essentially making fun of ourselves. I was super anxious. I was super anxious to do this because my task was to go on the busiest street of Da Nang and start shouting, start singing, and just get all of the attention on me possible. So I was like, fuck it, let's do it. I was really anxious, but I started doing it. I was high-fiving people, I was shouting, I was singing in Da Nang the Hungarian national anthem loudly on the street, like shouting. There were all these people looking at me, but the whole point of the experiment was to not care and just do. You know, I was taking people's drinks. I tried to steal this man's umbrella. And I was making a fool of myself for a couple of minutes. And do you know what happened? Nothing. Some people looked up. Some people stared. And they went on and they did their business. No one cared, you know? Because no one is concerned about you. The whole world doesn't revolve around you. It doesn't revolve around me. So the fact that you think that everyone is just only concerned about you being fat is not true, because everyone is concerned about themselves. And everyone has a lot of insecurities. Just go out and start talking to the people who find really attractive or you find really fit. You will find that 80%, I'm telling you, fit people are full of shame, are full of regret, are full of depression. They don't think that they are good enough. And these are the people you are admiring. Everyone thinks that they are less than others. Everyone is full of this bad feeling because of the world we live in today, with all the comparison and social media and stuff. No one thinks they are good enough. So why the hell would they care about you? They already care about themselves. If this is the reason that it's keeping you from, for example, going to the gym or starting swimming, let me tell you another story. Back home in Hungary, when I started swimming, I always saw this guy in the swimming pool who was like 200 kilos. I'm not even kidding. 200 kilos. Like the biggest man I've ever seen. He was like this big, you know? It was crazy. Huge man. But he was at the fucking swimming pool. And he did these laps. And he was swimming. Every time I went there, he was there. And I was thinking to myself, how inspiring is that? This guy would have every reason not to go swimming, not to take his shirt off, but he was there. He was doing the work, and he didn't care about what other people thought. Because you have to start somewhere, and he realized. And funnily enough, me who was at that time in a much better shape than him, I was not judgmental about him. I was thinking to myself like, this is so fucking motivating, really. This is so motivating to see a guy like this. Every time I go to the gym and I see a fat guy, I would just go up to him and say like, hey brother, I'm so proud of you. Because you are doing the work. You would have every reason to just sit at home and feel sorry about yourself for being fat and not doing something, but you are here. It's hard. You think that people are watching you, but he's doing the work anyway. And this is how I started as well. I was super fat. Going to the swimming pool and taking off my shirt in front of people seemed impossible for me. But I did it anyway. Just ask yourself the question. For example, if you walk on the street, someone stumbles and falls, and they get back up. Do you think back 2, 3, 5 days after, like, there was this person who fell? No, it happens. You observe and you move on with your day. And you probably think about yourself 24/7. What you do, how the people observe you. Let me tell you, no one cares about you. Really. No one cares about you. Everyone is concerned about themselves. Everyone is doing the best they can. No one really knows what they are doing. It's idiots all the way down. Everyone is just guessing. So forget the mindset that some people know some secret that you don't, or some people are secretly judging you. Because even if they judge you, which rarely happens, let me tell you, but even if they judge you, it comes from their own insecurity. It comes from the fact that they are not okay with themselves. So why do you care about the attention, and why do you care about the opinion of someone who is not okay with themselves, who would use to judge you based on your appearance just to feel better about themselves? You see how fucking stupid this is? So please, forget that everyone is looking at you. Forget that everyone cares about you, because it's not true. The only person who really cares about you being fat and you being this way is you. But if you already know this, then it might be time to start changing your life, no? And here is where I come in the picture, and here is where I will help you. Go into the description and take a look at the first link. I have made a free PDF guide in 6 steps on how I lost 42 kilos. This will get the ball rolling for you, because this is easier than you think. But the first step is acknowledging that only you are responsible for your life, and that other people are stupid as well. Other people don't know what they are doing as well. They don't have a secret. They are not judging you. They are only caring about themselves. The people who you really look up to are going in their head all the time like, oh, am I good enough? Am I pretty enough? Am I fit enough? So just focus on yourself. Focus on your growth. Don't care about what other people think. This is coming from experience. I really hope this video was useful for you, and see you in the next one. Ciao.